If you are preparing for competitive exams like AS, RB NET, Horticulture Development Officer, Agriculture Officer, ICAR exams or other agriculture exams, this video is going to be very helpful for you. In today's video, we will revise important one-liners from Solanaceae vegetable crops including tomato, brinjal and potato. These are very important for exams and many questions are repeatedly asked from this topic. I have prepared these one-liners directly from my handwritten notes so that you can quickly revise them before exams. So stay with me till the end of the video because these small facts can help you score extra marks in your exam. The Indian Institute of Vegetable Research, commonly known as IIVR, is located in Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh, and it focuses on research related to vegetable crop improvement. The World Vegetable Center, also called WVC, is located in Taiwan and is an international research institute working on vegetable crops. The average productivity of vegetables in Punjab is around 19.4 metric tons per hectare. There is a statement that proteins are present in all vegetables but minerals only in some vegetables. This statement is false because minerals are generally present in most vegetables. The important chemical compound present in medicinal yam is diosgenin, which is widely used in the pharmaceutical industry. In fenugreek, diosgenin is used in the production of steroidal contraceptive pills. In onions, the compound quercetin acts as an antibacterial and antioxidant agent, which provides several health benefits. Another compound found in onion is catechol, which has antifungal properties. The anti-cancer property of cabbage is mainly due to a compound called indole 3-carbinol. The medicinal property of celery is mainly due to 3N-butyl phthalate, which helps in improving cardiovascular health. Onion contributes significantly to agricultural exports and it accounts for about 77% of export earnings among vegetables. The most ancient type of gardening practiced by humans is the kitchen garden, where vegetables are grown near the house for family consumption. For a family of about 5 members, the recommended area for a kitchen garden is approximately 250 square meters. The type of farming followed in truck gardening is generally extensive farming, where vegetables are produced in large quantities for distant markets. The father of hydroponics is William Frederick Gericke, who popularized the concept of growing plants without soil using nutrient solutions. The term olericulture, which refers to the science of vegetable cultivation, is derived from a Latin word. The headquarters of NAFED, which stands for National Agricultural Cooperative Marketing Federation of India, is located in New Delhi. The protein content in soybean is approximately 40%, making it one of the richest plant sources of protein. A toxin present in celery is called RPN, which is a naturally occurring compound. In cassava, the toxic compound present is hydrogen cyanide, commonly abbreviated as HCN. In pumpkin, the toxic enzyme associated with anti-nutritional effects is choline esterase. In French bean, an anti-nutritional factor known as the fluorescence inhibitor is present. In tomato, an anti-nutritional compound called saponin is found. In sweet potato, an anti-nutritional compound called trypsin inhibitor is present, which can interfere with protein digestion. Among different vegetable production systems, market gardening has the highest cropping intensity because crops are grown intensively near urban markets. The largest family of vegetable crops is Cucurbitaceae, which includes crops like cucumber, pumpkin, bottle gourd, and bitter gourd. Another name of vitamin B12 is cobalamin. Pernicious anemia occurs due to the deficiency of vitamin B12. Xerophthalmia and night blindness occur due to the deficiency of vitamin A. And finally, pellagra is a disease caused by the deficiency of vitamin B3, also known as niacin. The vegetable showing tetramerous flower structure is spinach. Tetramerous means the floral parts are arranged in multiples of 4. Most vegetable crops are pollinated by insects. This type of pollination is called entomophily. Dark yellow flowers are characteristic of sponge gourd. Potato is propagated vegetatively through tubers, which are underground modified stems. Asparagus is not an annual vegetable crop. It is actually a perennial crop, so this statement is false. Sweet potato is commonly propagated using vine cuttings rather than seeds. In apomixis, seeds are formed without fertilization, so the statement that seeds do not form in apomixis is false. Among fruit crops, strawberry was one of the first widely produced through tissue culture. In nature, the most common sex form of flowers is hermaphrodite, meaning both male and female organs are present in the same flower. Most cucurbit crops are monoecious, meaning male and female flowers occur on the same plant. However, pointed gourd, ivy gourd, little gourd, and spine gourd are exceptions. Pentamerous flowers, where floral parts occur in multiples of 5, are found in brinjal. Pusa sanyok is a gyno-monoecious variety of cucumber. Satputia is a hermaphrodite variety of ridge gourds. The wild form of cucumber produces white fruits. Bottle gourd flowers are typically white in color. Capsicum pubescens is a chili species known for its purple-colored flowers. Snake gourd shows late evening anthesis, usually between 6 to 9 p.m. In andromonoecious plants, both male and hermaphrodite flowers are present on the same plant. Self-pollinated crops usually do not show inbreeding depression. Cross-pollination in brinjal mainly occurs due to heterostyle, where the length of style varies among flowers. Lima bean is considered an often cross-pollinated crop. Shalazogamy, a special type of pollen tube entry into the ovule, is observed in tomato. For salt estimation, the percentage of salt can be calculated as salometer reading multiplied by 0.264. For example, if the salometer reading is 60, the salt percentage will be 15.84. Another simple formula used is salt percentage equals salometer reading divided by 4. Finally, plum belongs to the genus Prunus. So friends, these were some very important one-liner facts from basics of vegetable crops. If you found this video helpful for your exam preparation, please like the video and share it with your friends who are preparing for agriculture and horticulture exams. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to Seed to Success and press the bell icon so you never miss upcoming videos on agriculture exam preparation. In the next videos, we will cover more important one-liners, MCQs, and quick revision topics from horticulture and agriculture. Thank you for watching and I wish you all success in your exams. See you in the next video.